Pangulong Duterte, nanindigan siyang itutuloy ng gobyerno ang pagbibigay ng Heroes Burial para kay dating Pangulong Marcos. At sa loob nga ng unang 100 araw ng kanyang administrasyon, agad sinimulan ng mga paghahanda para rito.
The burial of Marcos sa libingan ng bayani. Ang batas nagsabi sino ang pwedeng ilibing doon sa libingan. Presidents and soldiers.
It was my father's fervent wish that when he came to the end of his days, that he be buried in simple soldiers' ceremony. We have waited 27 years to fulfill that wish that he left us with. But we are here today, and we are able to grant him that wish. The Marcos family to thank all those who actually helped